Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. However, when it comes to farmhouse style, many homes make use of some combination of the following elements: exposed wood beams, a natural color palette, plants and greenery as accents, vintage or antique accents pieces, large comfortable furniture, barn door, reclaimed wood. Farmhouse style is generally separated into two distinct design aesthetics: traditional farmhouse and modern. The classic farmhouse look, also known as a traditional farmhouse, is often defined by a more rustic country style